my name is Wendy Quintana. I teach adult transition and they're 18 to 22 special needs students. We run the Orange Grove Market. We had a great idea of starting a coffee cart business. Nancy and Nancy are my aides. I couldn't do it without them. And it gives the students an opportunity to get customer service, vocational skills, functional academics, and money skills. And it allows them to know that they can start their own business if they would like to. Our overall goal is to inspire other teachers to have something like this, either serving sodas or coffee and pastries at their high schools as well.
It's fun because people need happy has coffee. I just say thank you.
I just love the business.
Hey, what's our coffee cart name?
Corona-Norco.